How to create video from text with AI voices. Log into audio and select videos option. And select create new video. Now enter the video details. Details like title, size or orientation, subtitle font, effects, placement, and finally, a template image, and hit save. Now in the script editor, you can select the desired voice by clicking on the voice name. Filter by languages, dialects, and gender. Now type in or paste your script in the section. Click on the thumbnail at each section to upload images or videos of your choice. Click on background music and upload a music file. You can also select the desired volume for it. Hit play in the bottom main player and make sure your audio is correct. Click on Preview in the top menu control to start the video creation. This takes up to 5 minutes, depending on the size of the video. You will get a mail when the rendering is complete. Sit back and watch your video. Your video is ready to download and share. This video was created using audio with the voice of Sarah.